guys, it's Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm bringing you guys something special for Halloween. I almost forgot to do something Halloween related. I know, insane. But no worries, I'm here again with another adult dessert slash treat. This can also be kid friendly if you just, take out the alcohol. But yeah, I'm here today to bring you guys mini drunken candy apples. I think that's what it's called. I got this from Tipsy Bartender here on YouTube. I'm gonna put their original video in the description box, so definitely check it out. But I thought I would put a little Halloween twist on it a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, and here's my shirt. I'm here for the booze. You guys know I love to dress up. So let's get into this video, this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give this video a like if you do, and comment down below if you're gonna try it out or what you're gonna be for Halloween. What are you guys about to be? Let me know. All right, let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna quickly get into what you need to make these drunken mini candy apples, okay? You're gonna need some sprinkles of choice. I have different Halloween sprinkles. I picked these up at Michael's, 50 cents for these ones, and like $1 for this one. So definitely check Michael's. And some little cupcake holders I'm gonna put the apples in when I'm done. A melon baller, which just helps scoop out the balls out of the apples. Caramel melts, of course, to dip our apples in. And lollipop sticks, which is also at Walmart along with these. We're also gonna need some apples. I don't know if the preference matters, but these are just regular green apples. And some heavy whipping cream. And most important of all, some caramel vodka. This is the Smirnoff brand from the ABC store, of course. I'm not sure if any other brands are selling caramel vodka, but of course Smirnoff definitely has it. This was about like 12 bucks, so not bad at all. So first you want to skin your apple. Now this is optional, but I did find it easier without the skin to actually get good scoops out of the apple. Now you just want to start scooping away, and as you can see, they don't come out perfectly circular, but when you get the caramel and everything going, it'll be easier to form a more ball shape. But yeah, scoop away. Now is the part where we get them drunken. So you just want to take some shot glasses and fill them up with the vodka. And then you just want to place the apples in the shot glasses. And you're going to keep them in this mix for about an hour or so, an hour minimum. Now while those were soaking, I decided to get the caramel ready. Now there's different ways you can do this. You can melt it in the microwave. I decided to do it over the stove, and I just read the instructions on the back, added the heavy whipping cream to give it more of a creamy texture, and just melted it over the stove. Now take the apples out and pat them dry. Patting them dry is very essential to get the caramel to stick, so you'll see throughout that I continuously pat these things dry. Now don't worry, you won't lose any vodka taste. Now add in your lollipop sticks in the middle. Our caramel is now a good consistency, not too sticky or hard or anything. And now here's the trick. You want to fill up a bowl with some ice water. This will help the caramel to completely freeze when we're forming the balls and help the caramel to stick to the apple. This is a really great trick I learned, and it really did make a difference. If you don't want to do this, you can just pop them in the freezer, but this is just quicker, and I just love the results from this. Now I'm just setting up my little station. I'm putting the cupcake holders to the side, the ice water's there, the caramel, and the apple bits are in front of the screen. So as you can see, I'm just dipping them into the caramel. And you want the caramel to also be cooled down, not too hot. And you just want to roll it over, get enough caramel all over the stick and the apple, and then immediately dunk it into the bowl of ice water. This will help the caramel freeze over and stay in place. Then you want to put the sprinkles on top, or whatever kind of decoration you want to add to it. You don't have to do sprinkles. You can do cookie crumbles, nuts, things like that. So it's definitely like any kind of seasoned dessert, but still really yummy regardless. So of course, just repeat this process over and over again. I decided to put mine in those little cupcake holders. You don't have to, but I felt like that was a cute little way to just set them up right. And yeah, just get creative with it, have some fun. They're really yummy in the end, and I thought they came out really cool for Halloween. So definitely a good party dessert. And here we are with the mess afterwards, but they're so cute and they're messy. They're not going to come out extremely perfect. I mean, they might, hey, I don't know, but mine didn't come out perfectly perfect, but they're definitely cute and just really festive and actually really delicious. If you don't want the super caramel taste, you can add a little pinch of salt if you're not crazy about it. I would definitely like to add that these apples soaked up that vodka very well, so don't worry about them not being drunken, because this dessert is for sure lit. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe, join the family, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!